This time on the Driver's Corner, we're going to do an update on my Amazon, eBay budget race seats. Stay tuned. So I had knee surgery on Wednesday last week and I have not been able to make a video, but I did find this video in my archives. So I made an update a couple months ago regarding my eBay, Amazon seats, and I'm going to show you kind of where I'm at after 10,000 miles on those budget race seats. So as many of you guys know, I purchased these seats off of eBay in October of last year for my C5 Corvette. They are, they've been really good. I've driven 10,000 miles on them. Overall, like you can kind of see, they've held up incredibly well. There's no major issues there, but I have had a couple failures. So right now the seat, I'm going to take the seat out today because the adjuster on the bottom popped out, so I can't move the seat forward or backwards. It's just a cheap slider set that comes with it. And then actually I hadn't noticed, but if you look right here, actually part of the seat frame is right there. So it's like either the cushioning that used to be like it is on this side has ripped through, or I don't know if I just didn't notice it. It was manufactured wrong in the first place. So that's something I'm gonna play around with this. I was thinking about adding heated seat elements to these, but instead I think I'm gonna see if I can pad this foam up here so that I don't have metal hitting me in the side there. So the other thing I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna add my new shift boot and the boot for the parking brake. And while I got it apart, I'm gonna adjust my shifter. So that's what's on the schedule for today. And I'll let you know once I start looking at this cover and how hard it is to take off what I'm gonna do about this metal bracket right there. They're made by Cypher. I've had these in the Corvette for approximately 10,000 miles, like right under 10. And, you know, driven it quite a bit, obviously, with 10,000 miles. What I did want to show you is a couple things. So when recently my daughter didn't know how to use the bracket system on the bottom, and so she pulled on this kind of the wrong way, and we ended up the slider just stopped working properly. So I had to fix that today. I went ahead and got that done. The other thing is, and I hadn't even noticed this, but I got it now. You can kind of see the metal frame. It appears that the bolster on this side, this is the driver's side, door side. It appears that the foam that it's kind of torn through right here. So this metal part is now sitting on the vinyl, and I'm assuming that's not going to last too much longer like it is. You can kind of see really up close here. Because of that, it may be pulling a little bit. Some of these seams are pulling. I don't 100% know if or what I'm gonna do about that. I didn't notice it. I can't believe that, like, sitting in it, and I've been doing like long trips, like 5-hour drives a day. I cannot believe that I didn't notice that digging into my hip. But anyway, I guess that is a failure on this race seat. So I can't decide if I'm going to do anything about it. Like I said, I may go ahead and see how hard it would be to pull that cover back. I was thinking about adding heated seat elements to these anyway, so wouldn't be the end of the world if I took the seat cover off, added some more padding there, and then put it back together. And I have done this before with other seats, but I definitely want to get to it before that vinyl tears. So other than that, I'll show you what else I did today. I'm going to vacuum this out, but I went ahead and added my boot for the shifter.
As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I thank you so much for all the support and my new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, please do so below and comment if you have any questions. I am going to add heat to these seats over the summer. I know that sounds a little ridiculous, but I bought a heated seat kit for these seats, so I will pull the covers off. I'm going to repair that little foam section and add the heated seat elements to those, and then I will be super happy with the way the interior has turned out on the C5. Again, I appreciate it. I will see you guys on the next video.